What's going on, gang? As mentioned before, I have picked up some more Chronicles. I was really digging the blaster. I love the hobby boxes, but I liked the blaster boxes too, especially the little Revolution pack. You get 5 cards per pack, 4 cards per box. The Revolution pack has 3 cards in it. You're not going to get, there's no guaranteed hits in this stuff, but you're going to get some hits if you buy several of these. But you're not going to be like the hobby box where you're getting 4 hits or whatever. But it's not tough to pull something out of this. So when you combine the Revolution pack with the fact that you're going to get some decent rookies, and there's all kinds of stuff in here, and you're probably going to get hits if you buy several of these, then to me it's just a smart buy. I'm going to open 4 blasters in this video, and what I've done is, to save some time, I've gone ahead and pulled the packs out of the boxes. So yeah, now I can stop talking and get right into it. We're going to start off with a Votto Rookies and Stars. Cano, this is the base card. Sweet, an Acuna Select. The Select are a little bit tougher to get than some of the others. Verdugo Prism and a Ahmed Rosario Illusions Rookie. The Select come in different parallel versions, and you can get just the basic like hollow or different colors, and they are absolutely just gorgeous. Here's an Albies Classics rookie, another Verdugo. This is Score. There's an Ohtani Phoenix rookie. You can get this in different colors too, and they look really sweet. McMahon Crusade, that's the base Crusade, and an Albies Studio rookie. So far so good. Couple of really good rookies out of this. There's a JP Crawford Prestige, Ahmed Rosario, turn backwards, is it? No, it's a parallel. This is the press proof to $2.99. Tricked me. Here's a Reese Hoskins Phoenix rookie. Oh, nice, an Ozzy Albies Crusade. This looks good. There's a Blue Ice version of this, numbered to 149, that looks really good. And then a little Atlanta Action Illusions. Alright, this is the last regular pack, and it feels thick. So there may be one of the Spectra cards in here, possibly. Here's a Bellinger Limited Austin Hayes $2.99, and it is a Spectra triple threat jersey. Unfortunately, all 3 white swatches, but you can see from the textures that they may all 3 be different. Still pretty cool hit from a blaster box. Ahmed Rosario Select, JP Crawford Prism, and Ryan McMahon Status. And then we're going to open our Revolution pack carefully. Alright, Ken Griffey Jr. Good start. Gleyber Torres, very nice. And Ozzy Albies, what a pack! Wow. Holy smokes. That is awesome. Wow, cool. Alright, let me move these to the side so I don't drop them, as you guys know that I often do. Alright, none of these feel particularly thick. Could get an autograph though. Sweet, an upside down Ohtani. Prestige Ohtani, another Score Verdugo, a Select Hoskins, sweet, a Soto Prism, and a Soto Illusions. Great start of this box too. Yep, there's my dropping it. Let's see if I dinged anything, because clearly I'm a moron. who can't hold cards. Ahmed Rosario, Rookies and Stars, a Cano, a Rosario Phoenix, Machado Crusade, and a Robles Status. Making sure the corners look alright on this. Yep. Alright, JP Crawford, Classics rookie. A Harrison Bader. This is a rated rookie, Carolina Blue maybe? To $1.99. I know they call the Chrome Carolina Blue. I don't know about the base Donruss. Then we have a Verdugo numbered. Oh yeah, see how gorgeous this Phoenix Blue is? This is numbered to $2.99. It's just a really good looking card. A Delmonico Prism rookie and an Aaron Judge Studio. The studios are just, rookie or not, they just look good. Alright, JP Crawford, Prestige, Yadier Molina. I have pulled tons of Yadier Molina cards from this stuff. I'm not sure why. A Clint Frazier Select rookie. Here's an Andujar Crusade. Very nice. And an Ohtani Illusions. More good stuff. Alright, let's check out the Revolution pack, which there's no way this could be as good as that last one. That last one was crazy. Well, that looks like I have a Mickey Mantle there on the back. So we have a Kingery rookie, Bryce Harper, and Mickey Mantle. It's not bad. Like I said, it can't beat that last one. It'd be tough to do that, but still pretty good. Alright, let's see what else we got going on here. Let's see if we got any thick ones. No, it doesn't seem like it. So let's just start at the top. I can try not to damage the cards. Alright, a Beltry Limited, Cabrera, a Dominic Smith Select, Ohtani Crusade, very nice, and Walker Buehler Studio. Lots of Ohtani coming out of this first set of 4 boxes, so that's good. A Goldschmidt Prestige, another Ohtani. What do you know? This is the base Chronicles rookie. Gleyber Torres to $1.99. Very nice. The Phoenix Orange Parallel. Love it. A Gleyber Torres Status and Ryan McMahon Prism. Great pack. Rhys Hoskins, Rookies and Stars, Chris Davis, Correa, Phoenix, Rhys Hoskins to $149. This may, yes, the blue cracked ice. This looks so good. Man, that's a sweet card. And the last one is a Verdugo Illusions rookie. The last regular pack of this box. Has a Chris Bryant Classics, Ryan McMahon Score rookie, Mike Trout Select, Stanton Crusade, and a Rosario Studio rookie. And our Revolution pack. Hoskins, I pull a lot of Hoskins. A second Kingery there and a second Bryce Harper, so 2 duplicates and 1 Hoskins. Again, not another decent box there. Alright, last set of packs. Again, checking to see if I have anything thick in there. Doesn't seem like it. The thick cards are the Spectra and the Cornerstones. Or they're not as thick as the Spectra, but they're still thick on the thicker side. Charlie Blackmon Classics, Austin Hayes, season stat line, rated rookie numbered out of 500. Reese Hoskins, Phoenix, Ahmed Rosario to 299, which is a very good looking prisms. And then a Clint Frazier status. Starting off with the Austin Hayes Limited, Chance Cisco, Score, Ahmed Rosario Select, Nick Williams Crusade, and Chance Cisco Studio Rookie. So it's a Baltimore pack. Aaron Judge Prestige, a Reese Hoskins base. So we've got another Ohtani, yep. Second Ohtani Phoenix. Devers Prism and Chris Bryant Illusions. And last regular pack of this break. Which has Cody Bellinger, Rookies and Stars, Gary Sanchez base. Sweet, and Acuna Select. Altuve Crusade and Acuna status. Alright, let's check out our Revolution pack and we'll call this one a wrap. So we got a Robles on the back, JP Crawford, Acuna, sweet, and Robles. So 3 rookie cards. And that is it for these 4 boxes, guys. As usual, lots of goodies here. Love this stuff. And that's it. I've got, as you can see, or not, I've got a bunch more boxes back there. So expect to see some more breaks of this very, very soon. Everybody take care. Hope you're having a great day.